There's no better way to keep track of what products, rates, acres, and prices that you're looking for each crop and each pass than FBN's Shopping Lists tool. You can find that in your account on the home page in this hamburger menu. If you click on that and scroll down, you'll find Shopping Lists. Or I prefer to just look up at the top green banner here. Shopping Lists is always one of those features up here at the top. So if you click on that and go into your shopping lists in your account, I've been helping a customer build a soybean pre-emerge plan. So this tool, the shopping list tool, keeps track of what the cost is, the estimated savings compared to market average, and you can toggle on and off to show cash price or financed price. We've gotten started with a glyphosate for burn down, metribuzin and sulfentrazone for residual broadleaf control. We want to add a grass control residual product like a dual product. So you can search for items right here in the shopping list tool and add them directly. We will do the connections for you. If you don't know what our generic dual is called, just type in dual and we will give you the generic options that compare very well to branded dual or dual to Magnum. So in this case, we've got an S-metolachlor value pick. You can add your amount right here, customizing what what crop you're going to use it on and how many acres. You can customize the rate if you've got heavier ground, maybe you want to increase. If you've got lighter ground, maybe decrease it. We will always give you a default rate that should be in the ballpark of what people usually use it at. And this works for adjuvants as well, or let's say you're searching around on the actual website for products and you learn about a product that you might be interested in adding to a shopping list and thinking about using this year. For instance, Hydrovant, this is a product that enhances the longevity of residual performing products. You can always find this little add to list button on the product pages and you can add that to the list that way as well. Go back to your shopping lists and you'll find that Hydrovant was added to your list. Again, you can add the amount you want based on crop and rate and acreage. This is a single use rate. Add that and it'll tell you what your price per applied acre is, about $24.34 for a comprehensive soybean pre-emerge program, saving approximately $1,500 compared to the market average intel that we have from customer invoice data. And if you pay cash, that savings goes up to nearly $2,000. So it's a great way to stay organized with products, rates you're going to use, acres, and it breaks it down total costs and cost per acre. If you want to stay that organized and use digital tools rather than copious amounts of sticky notes and papers scattered all over your office, check out Shopping Lists on FBN.